So I'm going to discuss about another topic, retaining talent. What is meant by retaining talent? So retaining means to keeping and continues their employees into that organization. So in that retaining talent management, so 10 aspects or 10 ways to discuss we are going to retaining the talent. So first one, leadership. Yes, leadership are new candidates or new employees. So then it will be doing their works and then we are going to taking their decisions. So to align with themselves and most probably senior executives or managers, so or any managers, so to taking their any decisions or to managing their any employees, so in prompt manner, or we are going to solve their any decisions, and as well as that type of strategic decisions we are going to take, then it will be maintain their organization. So definitely, so it will be developing their organization. So that type of leadership qualities, that means your organizations need to be greater leadership. Then it will be expect their organizations that type of leadership qualities. So into that every employees, then it will be continue their organization. So that is called leadership. Yes, coming to that career growth. So how it will be develop their employee career growth based upon their organization. So in younger companies, or we are going to start their companies, their genuine manner, and as well as we are going to start their organization structure and their norms and conditions. Then so it will be setting the priorities. That means career path. So we are going to set up that much of priorities we are going to set up. So automatically the employees also they're doing the better manner. So automatically they're increasing their performance. Step by step they're increasing their skills and knowledge and aspects. So definitely it will be create the new opportunities into that organization. So automatically, so step by step, so it will be promotion to the next level. So definitely, so their clear clarity goes into that employees. Definitely it will be developing their step by step process. So that type of planning you are going to set up. Definitely you are going to develop their employees and then developing their organization also. Then yes, mission and purpose. Actually, so in work behind that, so what the company does, so that means every work or every doing the works are putting their efforts, they behind the cause. There is a one purpose. Definitely, so every organization, so then it will be expect more profits and it will be expect they're increasing their organization performance. Definitely they're expecting at the same time, so employee also then it will be doing the better works, they're putting their maximum efforts. So automatically, so then it will be developing their organization. And also they're setting the clarity goals into that employees and as well as organization also. So that type of plans we are going to do that, definitely organization so will be developed. So every work, so it will be behind that one cause is there, what purpose is there. That's why so we are going to do that any work so in prompt manner or right manner. Okay, so that is the mission and purpose of the every employees. So then it will be automatically continuous and develop their employees. And next one, creative thinking. Yes, most of the employees, they think innovatively, or newly employees they think about so very different manner, different thinking are there. So they're doing their works in a prompt, accurate manner, and so that type of initiation, that type of involvement that type of creativeness or innovative thinking, so definitely, so it will be increasing their employee performance. So then it will be continue their organization. And most probably, so 50% of the employees, 50% of the employees, they're doing the works in show put up. Like for example, they're observing the manager, so automatically they're doing the works. Their absence of manager, automatically then they should not do that work a proper manner. But so nowadays the employees are committedly, dedicatedly, they're doing the works in prompt manner, or they're solving their any problems at the right time, at the right place. So we are going to creative thinking into that any organization. So definitely, so then it will be sustained there anyway. So that type of creative thinking, it will be needed their employees. Giving back, yes, definitely the organization will choose their best employees. So automatically the employees also, it will be benefited for the organization. That means then it will be drawn the salaries, then we are going to take in the salaries, then automatically you are going to put in their efforts. So then it will be increasing their performance. So automatically employee will also increase their performance, and then organization will also develop. Giving back means so whatever you are going to put their efforts, whatever you are going to give, then it will be coming the returns. That means employee also develop and organization will also develop, right? And the problem solving. So problem solving. So in HR department, not only one department, so in every department, so our employees will also very in that critical situation. In that critical situations, we are going to think about problem solving decisions. Like for example, so then the manager has to take the right decision to solve their problems. So automatically then to manage their employees, to manage their department and then organization. So that type of problem solving thinking, that type of problem solving decision making skills, so it will be involving into that employees. So automatically, so it will be continue their employer. So at any situations, not for doing their negative manner, or it should not arise in there any negative consequences or any problems. So at the time you are going to think about a very positive manner, and you are going to solve in better manner. So then only it will be solve their problems. So automatically, so it will be continue their employees. Problem solving decision skills it will be needed for their every employees. That is the most aspect. And coming to the innovation. Innovation. So innovation means nowadays new thoughts or new ideas are new methods we are going to apply for their works. So automatically then it will be complete within the time into the organization. So that type of innovation skills, and it will be improve the organization performance. That means employee brand it will be increased. So and automatically most of the cases for example, so we are going to create one innovative methods or strategies we are going to take, or policies, then our organization structure. So then so it will be implemented for that organization. So automatically, so employee will increasing their performance, then automatically they are developing their organization also. And professional development. So professional development means the organizations, most of the companies or so then so it will be provide good opportunities, good facilities. So automatically employee also can do that work. So very autonomy situations it will be created. That means hormone conditions that will be created. Professionally, it will be developing their career, and so every organization, so it will be create. So it will be create the good environment. That means their surroundings, and they are providing the facilities and taking the right decisions. So automatically, so employees will develop professionally. So then it will be continue their organizations and recognitions and rewards. So when it will be coming the recognition and rewards, for example, so rewards, their intrinsic rewards and extrinsic rewards. So intrinsic rewards means like for example bonus, like they're giving the encouragement. So these are the intrinsic rewards. And extrinsic rewards, like for example public encourage the public, and as well as we are going to give in the salaries and monetary benefits and non-monetary benefits we are going to provide. And then most every employees there, then it will be giving the values, or it will be giving the recognition or status to motivating their employees. So automatically, so then it will be boost up their employees, then it will be continue their works into that organization. So every organization is to giving the priorities of the employees, to giving the value of the, to giving the status of the employees into that organization, because monetary benefits or non-monetary benefits, so it will be provided. Like for example, to encourage and boost morale aspects, it will be giving to the employees, and then fringe benefits, salaries. So other benefits it will be provided to the employees automatically. So it will be continued to that employees. Every manager, every organization should motivate, encourage to push up their employees in proper manner. Right. And also teamwork and team building. So in every organizations, so different departments are there. Or so for example, there one department they'll be assigned to that one project. Definitely the team members also collaborated with them, and then we should do that effectively and efficient manner. But they're supporting of team members. So that is the most important for getting the better results for their organization, and they're improving the organization performance also. So most of the team leaders are teamwork. So to collaborate and to support you, to partnership of each and every activity, not only one person, their team involving of each and every work, and as well as to build up their boost up morale of the employees, and as well as to motivating themselves to creating innovative or creative thinking. So definitely, so it will be build up their teamwork. So automatically, then it will be finish their any works. So collaboratively or coordinated relationship it will be built up. Definitely, it will be develop their organizations. So it will be continue their works into that organization. So these are the 10 ways. That means one employee will continue their services into that organization. These are the main aspects. So it will be retain the employees into that organization.